The most precious jewelry isn't always the one that catches the most eyes, but the one that holds the deepest memories. Choosing jewelry is never just about beauty, it's about legacy. And for choices that carry such meaning, trust becomes everything. We walked into the grand launch of the new Malabar Gold and Diamonds in Goria, and every piece felt like a bridge between tradition and transformation. The event was made even more special as Rukmini Moitro inaugurated this grand celebration of craftsmanship and culture. We saw the Ethnics collection capture this beautiful balance, while Era, Divine and Prisia stand out as statements of grace rather than just ornaments. The Chitrangi collection especially reflects craftsmanship shaped by patience and pride, the kind that understands true beauty can't be rushed. গড়িয়াতে পদ্মশ্রী সিনেমা হলের পাশে পাটুলিয়াম বাইপাসের কাছাকাছি অবস্থিত নতুন মালাবার গোল্ডেন ডায়মন্ড স্টোরে যেতে ভুলবেন না, আপনার এক্সপিরিয়েন্সকে খুবই মেমোরেবল করে তুলতে।